The 2021 KTM 890 Duke R. KTM added to its mid-range naked sportbike bracket with the 890 Duke R, and it looks like it'll make it over to our side of the pond just in time for the 2021 model year. Essentially, the factory took its proven 790 Duke and buffed it with fully adjustable suspension, racier ergos, and better anchors. An all-new powerplant gives a boost in power and torque along with a handful of rider aids to add an element of control over the ride characteristics. 2021 KTM 890 Duke R design. This 890 Duke R carries itself with plenty of that KTM look due to aggressive, if abbreviated, bodywork. This 890 Duke R carries itself with plenty of that KTM look due to aggressive, if abbreviated, bodywork. That aggressive panache isn't just for show. KTM designed this bike both for riders looking to progress to a larger machine as well as riders of large bike who are looking for something almost as powerful but more maneuverable. Additionally, the 890 Duke R leaves open the possibility of proper closed-circuit racing through easily removed street components and an accessories catalog replete with weight-saving carbon fiber components and racing parts. Not an ounce is wasted on the pared-down front fender that doubles as a guard for the inner fork tubes. A bug-like dual headlight can establishes an angle at the front end, an angle picked up by the narrow cheeks fairings, making an important visual connection to the KTM family, but is far too small to
read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.